Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, today we are on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing backs right to the London Bridge golf course. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 2720 Paseo Dorado Drive. This is in the residential estates area, which is a zoning and has natural gas, underground utilities, backs right to the London Bridge golf course. It's a desirable part of town. You can actually go 2 stories here as well. New construction across the street. So you have your property line right between the water boxes here. Nicely landscaped. There's a nice little entry. Nice stonework on the front there. Looks like it has a view deck on the top of the RV garage, so we'll go check that out. All right, let's go in and check it out. Nice little gated front courtyard area. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2012, 1,663 square feet. It sits on a residential estates lot that backs right to the London Bridge golf course. Nice open floor plan. You have 2 sliders out to the backyard pool area. Nice vaulted ceiling, ceiling fans, split bedroom layout. All tile floors, nice quartz or granite counters, stainless appliances, gas range, pantry. So you have the master at the rear of the house. Slider out to the backyard pool area. So you got the master bath, dual sinks, same granite counters and cabinets. Has uplights in the pot shelves. You can't really see them, but they're there. Little soaking tub. You have a tiled walk-in shower. You have a walk-in closet with slider glass doors on it. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have bedroom number 2, kind of at the front of the house. Has a little walk-in closet. You have a little guest bath. So you have bedroom number 3. Same kind of a mirror of the other bedroom. Same little walk-in closet setup. This is at the front of the house. So you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. They put stackables in here. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. Has a 25-foot bay and a 35.9-foot bay. This is a door out to the stairs that take you up to the top of the garage view deck we'll go check out. So both doors are insulated. This 2-car side has a 8-foot door and the 25-foot depth. And then you have the RV side, which is a 35.9 foot, and it has a 10-foot door, so it won't fit like a big RV, but it'll fit pontoon boats and big boats. Also has a drive-through bay, door to the outside. I'm sure it has clean outs and hookups and stuff, just can't see it right now. So you got all your goodies back here, your soft water, RO, reverse osmosis, your water heater, all your irrigation timers, and your home runs for all your cable. Let's go check out the view deck and the pool. All right, so there's stairs out to this little view deck. We're gonna go check it out, see what kind of views we got. All right, you have some pretty substantial lake views. I don't know how often you'll get up here, but kind of give you a little overview of everything. All right, so you got a nice backyard pool area, backs right to the fairway. Good sized covered patio. So this is a fiberglass pool, needs very little maintenance. You don't have to do a bunch of chemicals and acid washes, and kind of real easy to take care of. Of course, you have panoramic fairway views, a little peekaboo view of the lake over there. So you have your golf cart access to the golf course down here. And you can use that little drive-through garage bay, of course. You got all your pool equipment here. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Paseo, Dorado. This one is listed right now for $785. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get the latest price, availability, and more pictures. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all my contact information is right below this video as well. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I'm always here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.